Hello everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about weather, and we're talking about another gorgeous day across the interior. Temperatures very mild, going to cool down a little bit tomorrow, but then warm back up for the weekend. That's some good news, and boy, you talk about our photographs. We get some great photographs here. This one is going to be in the top 10. Look at this gorgeous photograph sent in by Tom Schneider. He captured the green auroras in North Pole last night. And those auroras look like they're coming down below the cloud deck, but of course we know that's not possible. But man, what a beautiful shot that is. The colors are just vivid. And as always, if you have a photograph you want to share, by all means send it to photos@ktvf11.com. We'll share it with the rest of the audience. Here's our almanac for today. The high 37. Right now it's 28 degrees, the low last night of 14 above. Record high 37 in 1941, down to 49 below in 1965. Your sunrise and sunset, 8 hours and 53 minutes. We'll go over 9 hours tomorrow. And our satellite and radar, one area of low pressure working its way up from the south across southern sections of Alaska, and another area of low pressure. And this one is going to be really a big storm for the west coast of Alaska, bringing heavy snow to places like Nome and Bethel, and it's all because of that area of low pressure that's really circulating up there. Now, what else is going on across the rest of the state? Well, a little rain falling around Ketchikan, 42 degrees there. Anchorage clearing out. Partly cloudy, 43 degrees. Not too bad. Kodiak, 36. Cold Bay, cloudy and 40. A little bit of snow over the southwest portion of the state, and more snow expected, like I said. Barrow at 0 exactly, and Fort Yukon, 16 degrees above 0. Lower 48 weather, it looks like this, and things are nice once again up and down the west coast. Very strong high pressure there. Cooling off down around Denver, 34 degrees there. Dallas at 54, only 10 degrees in Minneapolis. Elsewhere in the eastern half of the country, record-breaking temperatures. Chicago at 19, New York 28 degrees. On the satellite and radar, you can see once again the area of low pressure, I should say low pressure trough associated with the jet stream is helping to drive a lot of moisture out over the Atlantic Ocean, but also bringing a lot of cold air in. In fact, the jet stream is bringing some record-breaking temperatures. You can see here, Cincinnati 5 degrees below 0. Their old record was 4 below. Detroit at 4 below, tying their record. Chicago, once again, beating their old record. So a lot of records broken. Atlanta, 15 degrees above, their old record of 13. And again, the jet stream is the culprit here, bringing all that cold air in from the Arctic North and helping to chill down much of the eastern half of the country, while just the opposite in the west, warm and nice. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Here's what it looks like. Cloudy skies in Barrow, 8 to 10 inches of snow in Nome. It'd be good for the Iditarod, that's for sure. Mostly cloudy skies at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at a little breezy in the Healy area, otherwise partly cloudy skies at Fairbanks and Delta Junction. Over southeast Alaska, widespread rainfall, a little rain at Juneau, but more heavier rain expected in the Ketchikan area, still 47 degrees there. Over the southwest part of the state, it looks like windy conditions at Cold Bay, rain and snow in Bethel, and partly cloudy skies at Kodiak. While over the south central regions, looking at dense fog for Valdez, scattered clouds for Homer, and also at Anchorage. Okay, time once again for our weather fact as we're giving the kids the week off. And our weather fact was in 1990, California, a huge storm swept across the entire state with 4 feet of snow in the Sierra Nevadas. And that was over a 2-day period. As always, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our Kids Weather Watch. And next week, we'll be visiting with the kids from Weller Elementary School. Okay, here's your forecast. For tonight, 6 degrees, the overnight low, partly cloudy, not as cold, maybe some more auroras. It's about a Category 4 right now. Tomorrow's forecast, 21 degrees above, partly cloudy, continued mild. And like I said, the warmer temperatures are returning for the weekend. As you see, right around freezing all the way through Monday of next week. Overnight lows will also be very nice, 16 degrees for the overnight low, and no real snow chances in the forecast right now, but maybe possibly next week when the ice art opens up to the public, the 23rd of Monday.
You know, I think I said this to you today in our newsroom. Yeah. Is there going to be any ice for the ice art at the rate this is going?
If you go to their website, you'll see they're still carving ice, yeah.